Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a card to the Stocard Rewards Cards wallet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your home page. Click on cards down below in the left side corner, and here you can find popular cards that you can select if you would like to add any of these cards. But if it is not listed, tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you should search for a card. Here you can use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the service that you would like to add your card to, or you can also tap on the other card option at the top if you just cannot find it. Then you should allow the app to have access to your camera, so tap on open settings, and then you will be directed to your phone's settings where you need to search for the application. Tap on it, click on camera, go back to the app and repeat the steps, and then you can take a picture of your card. So tap on other card and then scan the barcode of your card, and after that you will be able to add the card number is typed in, and then you can type in the store name. Click on the save button down below, tap on save at the top, and then it will be added, as you can see. So as you go back, you will be able to find it in the cards section in a few seconds. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.